Today, we are traveling from Belmont to Cave in Westmoreland. Belmont is a most authentic, small fisherman's village. Located on the south coast of Jamaica, where you can experience real everyday life of Jamaicans. It is about an hour drive away from the all-inclusive resort areas of Negril and Montego Bay. Belmont is located in the parish of Westmoreland, in the locality of Bluefields, on the A2 road 12 miles from Savanna-La-Mar and 25 miles from Black River, on the edge of Bluefields Bay, one of the most beautiful bays and spots to visit. There is a variety in smaller and bigger bars and restaurants along the seaside, where you can enjoy a refreshing drink and enjoy Jamaican music or have some real Jamaican food, fresh fish. Belmont is a great base where you can visit all of the interesting places in the beautiful South-West Coast of Jamaica.
The south coast of Jamaica is rarely a first-timer's choice because of its relative isolation. But those who do venture south will find nature, wildlife, and tranquil beaches. The south coast is known for being a natural paradise, almost untouched. You'll get a good idea of what life was like in early Jamaica, from trade routes to beautifully kept homesteads, some turned hotels. For true luxury, you won't find better than the south coast. Soak up the warmth of the natural healing mineral baths or saddle up and ride down to the dark sandy beaches. There are many treats for you on the coast. Except for Negril, the south coast doesn't offer the luxury of such resorts as Montego Bay and Ocherios, but you'll get a truer picture of what Jamaica is really like off the beaten path. So when you have the time, come down and visit the southern coast of Jamaica. You'll always remember it.
Here are some interesting facts about Cave. For decades, the pristine community of Cave Mountain in Westmoreland has attracted tourists who have expressed an interest in living in the stress-free environment. The mountainous community is one of the most peaceful places in Jamaica. It offers a spectacular view of the Caribbean Sea and is home to some of Westmoreland's most alluring springs. The traditional farming main crops include pimento, yam, and breadfruit. Due to its climate, altitude, and soil, it is said to produce some of the world's best strains of marijuana. Cave is a rural, peaceful farming village with nice people. The tranquility of the area, which is violence-free, the whole peacefulness is one of its high points. The naturalness of the environment lends itself to a lot of recreational activities for persons who want to relax. Many Europeans, especially Germans, love to visit. They built cabins on the hill and invited friends to do mountain hiking. Some of them left and arranged for other persons to rent these cabins. Residents of Cave are industrious, peaceful, and always in a state of well-being, which many attribute to the serene environment. Cave is a very nice place, peaceful, violence-free, with warm, loving people. It is a good place to live, very fruitful and full of life. Many residents in Cave are tourism workers, farmers, tradesmen, taxi operators, and business people. The population has grown substantially over the years, as many people, including returning residents, were born there and returned to the area due to its serenity. If you want a peaceful living with fresh air, natural foods, warm and kind-hearted people, then Cave is the place for you.